Nestled in the heart of South Wales lies the breathtaking Bannau Brycheiniog National Park, a landscape of lush woodlands, rolling moorlands, and cascading waterfalls. Among its most iconic sights is Sgwd Eira, a waterfall whose name means Waterfall of Snow in Welsh, a delicate curtain of water gliding gracefully over the rocky cliff face. What makes Sgwd Eira truly remarkable is not just its beauty, but the experience of being there. A narrow, winding path leads visitors behind the waterfall, immersing them in a world of rushing water, sparkling light, and echoing sound. Imagine standing there, mist kissing your face, sunlight dancing across droplets, and the sheer force of water all around. You are enveloped in a sense of wonder and a deep connection to nature, an experience few places on Earth can offer. The park is often celebrated as Waterfall Country, a name earned by rivers carving deep wooded gorges throughout South Wales. Well-marked trails connect Sgwd Eira to neighboring falls along the River Hepste, making it a perfect destination for hikers seeking adventure and serenity. Above the valleys, the scenery transforms. Open moorland stretches to the horizon, wind-swept ridgelines shaped by weather and time. Here, exposed uplands meet sheltered gorges, creating a breathtaking contrast that defines the park's unique character. Every step along these trails reveals a new story, from tranquil woodland pools to dramatic cliffside views. Every visit captures the imagination, turning nature's beauty into an unforgettable narrative. Whether tracing the network of waterfalls, wandering along upland paths, or simply breathing in the crisp Welsh air, Bannau Brycheiniog National Park tells a story of enduring history, natural artistry, and the timeless rhythm of water shaping the land. A journey here is more than sightseeing. It is an invitation to witness nature's artistry, to feel the pulse of the landscape, and to leave with memories as fluid and lasting as the waterfalls themselves.